Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix CapCut no internet on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue that your CapCut has no internet connection, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So you just have to go back and here you have to scroll down your quick settings and here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, so you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to try to briefly enable your airplane mode, then disable it after 4 or 5 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, you have to wait for until your phones or internet connects. So once the internet connects, you have to try again to open up your CapCut. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to go back and open up your settings, and here you go for general, and hit then go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available, or if you have any update you have to try to update your system. And once you have that, you have to scroll down and look for VPN and device management, then select VPN, and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have any VPN, so you must have to try to disconnect your VPN, then go back and try again. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open up your app store, and here you go for search in the bottom right corner, then you have to search for CapCut, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software CapCut update available, or if you have any pending CapCut update, so you have to try to update your app, and once you have updated, your all problem will be fixed. Or if you are still having the same issue, so you have to make a force restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And here you have to wait for Apple logo and then release the button. So now you have to wait for your phone until it restart, and after that you can easily use CapCut without any issue on your any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.